Hi guys and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the new Festive Favorite Stocking Filler from Next Beauty. Festive Favorite Stocking Filler is retailed for £15 and worth over £50. It comes in this classical Next Beauty packaging, is small and compact. I really like how it looks, will be a nice Christmas gift. Now it's time to discover the beauty treats that are hidden inside. First product that I took out is from a brand that I don't know how to spell it. The brand is not new for me, I know it, but I'm not sure how to spell it right. Here we have Cherry Blossom Hand and Body Wash. Is a luxury hand and body wash that smells amazing, is a floral, clean and sweet scent. It smells, guys, divine. I like it a lot. The second product from the stocking filler is from a brand that I like a lot, the brand Pie Skincare. And here we have a light work cleansing oil. As usual, I will insert on the screen the size of each product that we will find. Now let's get back to the cleansing oil. Formulated for sensitive skin and eyes but loved across all skin types, the Light Work Cleansing Oil shifts away SPF, makeup and daily grime. No rubbing, no stinging, no problem. Third product is from the brand Emma Hardy. Is a face cream called Moisture Boost Vitamin C Cream. Helps reducing appearance of dark pigmentation and high color, helps reducing visible signs of aging and helps improving skin texture. I had this cream in the past and is okay, it's hydrating, the formula is nice too. The thing that I don't like about Emma Hardy products is the scent. All the products that I tried from this brand had the same scent. I can understand that this is like the brand signature, but for me the scent is a bit too strong and floral. Fourth, we find a mascara from Clinique. It's called High Impact Mascara. It's described as a multi-benefit mascara that adds maximum volume with definition and length. Specially developed brush and formula which work together to dramatically thicken lashes while separating. Smooth and deep color that adds impact. I tried this mascara from Clinique and it's okay. I cannot say that I like it too much. It transferred too much product to the lashes. Not my favorite mascara. And the last product from this box is a mini perfume from YSL, Black Opium Eau de Parfum. For this stocking filler you have an option to choose between this perfume or a mini lipstick from YSL. As you can see, I choose the perfume because the lipstick shade is not exactly what I like to wear. About Black Opium perfume, I can say that it smells lovely, is bold, is floral and sweet. Beautiful scent. I know that many of you love this perfume and I understand why. It smells fantastic. Okay, beautiful people, these are the products from the Next Beauty Festive Favorite Stocking Filler. What do you think, guys? Would you buy it? For me, it's a nice stocking filler, the value is great and of course the products are lovely too. If I will get one of these for Christmas, I will be pleased. And this was everything for today. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!